Hi everyone, Dr. Stephen Hussey here from ResourceForHealth.com. In today's video, I want to talk all about salt. So salt kind of gets a bad rap. The American Heart Association suggests that salt or higher salt intake causes high blood pressure. But as we've seen, the American Heart Association has got a lot of things wrong. You can reference my video about how high-fat diet is best for the heart to see more about that. But studies have shown that restricting sodium actually increases heart disease, and one study quoted offered no benefit to health. Another summary of 23 studies showed that restricting sodium causes hormone dysregulation and actually increased heart attack risk. So we're finding exactly the opposite than what the American Heart Association recommends. A few other studies have shown that restricting sodium or salt intake results in a 15 to 20% increase in insulin sensitivity, which when that happens we can have weight gain or type 2 diabetes. And then one last study showed that decreasing salt intake kind of messes with our sympathetic nervous system, which is kind of our stress nervous system, and this can affect sleep. And I tell my clients all the time, if you're not sleeping, then you're not healing. So as we can see, the recommendations from the American Heart Association on salt are kind of outdated, and unfortunately they're pretty influenced by industry. So it's kind of a follow the money situation. So if salt is okay, then what type of salt should we eat? Because not all salt is created equal. So most people consume salt in the form of a processed food where salt is used as a preservative, and that's not the type of salt that we want. We don't want to eat processed food either. Or they're eating table salt, which is just sodium and chloride, which when you have those minerals in isolation and have a lot of them, it can cause imbalances, mineral imbalances. So better types of salt are unprocessed salts, salts that come with a full gamut of minerals. So things like unprocessed sea salt is good, but the best one is probably the pink Himalayan salt. Comes with up to 80 different trace minerals in it. So I have one of them here. This is the one I use here at the house. Probably one of the best ones. So if you want to stay healthy, you want to prevent heart disease, eat your salt, but make sure it's the right type of salt. All right, that's it for today. Stay healthy out there.